Welcome to Delkevic on YouTube. This replacement CBX1000 exhaust system is made from single wool 304 stainless steel and is a durable, cost-effective alternative to the full replica systems we offer. Available with two exhaust designs, this complete system offers potential performance improvements as well as a glorious soundtrack for the Honda 6-cylinder engine.
Thanks for watching this video. We hope it's been informative and that you've enjoyed it. If so, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button and also subscribing, which will enable us to keep you up to date with our latest content releases and special offers.